I'd like to show you a new shiny tool I got this morning. It's like any fitter can't resist shiny tools, and here it is. You may be wondering exactly what it's for. It's not some sort of newfangled nutcracker. It has very specific use for this, and in fact it goes with one of these. This is a brass lamp holder or bulb holder, and one thing you'll know about Anglepoise lights, especially the 1227, is that the shade is very narrow, especially near the end. So if you want to try to get your fingers inside of there to undo the lamp holder, very difficult. So what this tool's for is it actually grips the collar of the bulb holder so that you can undo it while it's inside the lamp. So what I'll do is I'll take this collar off and I'll fit it to the rimmed lampshade, which is one of the earlier ones. Put the collar in, now if you have hands like mine, trying to get into there and down to the very bottom and undo the locking ring, even if it's just slightly tight with just the ends of your fingers, very difficult. That's where this tool comes in. Two different diameters on the end. Ridges are slightly smaller. You usually end up using the larger diameter. Insert it to the bottom of the lampshade. Put a bit of pressure on it. Doesn't need a great deal. And unscrew. Once you've took the pressure off the locking ring, get your fingers in. Job done. So imagine the lampshade would sit in there and get a hold of it. So just zoom in a little bit and see how it grips very well. Nice and steady, nice and firm. So overall it's a very useful tool. This is the replacement for the original one, exactly the same. It seems to be borrowed quite a lot. So this one is going to go in my toolbox, and if anybody asks if I've got one, I'm going to deny it completely. No, I ain't got one of them, sorry, I can't lend you. Because when you haven't got them, it's such a miss. And especially if you have quite a few of these to do, it can be a bit hard on the fingertips. Quite inexpensive, but it can save you a great deal of time and prevent damaging some rather valuable and delicate bits of kit. Overall, highly recommended. Thanks for watching, and remember there's other guides on the complete strip down and refurbishment of a 1227 Anglepoise lamp on our website www.relightlamps.com.